Hey everyone, and welcome back to Shell's Glam Home. Well, today I'm excited to share another episode of Christmas with Shell. Today I'm taking 2 DIY projects and showing you how to create them as Christmas gifts. I hope you enjoy. I started with these 2 fuchsia pink pillowcases that I already had, and taking some dollar store silver sequin ribbon, I cut a piece to size. Now you're going to take just a small piece and you're going to cut it on an angle, as if it was like a vase. You're then going to glue that in place, and taking some of this polka dot ribbon that I picked up from Spotlight, you're going to cut a small piece and you're going to overlap it one by one. Now what you're seeing me do here is that I'm just overlapping it. I've hot glued a seam at the top and I continue to overlap and hot glue in place. I'm actually creating a little skirt here, guys, so I'm overlapping, sealing it down with my popsicle stick so I don't get any little burns from that hot glue gun, and I just repeat the same steps until the end. I then hot glued that to the cushion, and then I took some of these dollar store rhinestones. Now I cut 2 small pieces, and these are going to actually be the straps of my dress. Now taking the first piece, you want to overlap it so that the strap will sit upright, almost like a curve. I trimmed off any excess and added hot glue to the end. Once that was all secure, I took one of these dollar store silver sequin bows and a rhinestone from Spotlight, and I hot glued that to the middle of my dress. I then took 4 of these little white pom-poms, guys, and I hot glued one to each corner of my cushion. I then started on my second cushion, and what I did here, guys, is just cut out a complete square of the polka dot fabric. I then took some dollar store rhinestones that I had on hand, and I made a frame around my box. Taking some more of that silver sequined ribbon, I cut 2 strips to size to make a cross and hot glued it in place. I then took some more of that silver sequin ribbon, and I'm going to make 5 strips and cut them to size and then overlap them and hot glue them at the join. Now you'll just simply overlap them to create a bow and hot glue them in place, and then I took another one of those little white fluffy pom-poms and glued it at the centre. And here are my adorable girly glam cushions. Guys, these were such an inexpensive idea and would make the perfect Christmas gift idea for a little girl in her room. Christmas time can be quite stressful, guys, when it comes to a budget. Sometimes we can definitely overspend, but here are some inexpensive gift ideas for a little girl's room, possibly a teenager or maybe in a beauty room. The possibilities with these DIYs are endless. I absolutely love to decorate with all shades of pink, and I especially love fuchsia pink with black. I think they tie in so beautifully together. I'm also a very big fan of polka dots, and I think they go perfect when making a statement in your home. You know your girl Shell absolutely loves glam decorating, and I had so many wonderful ideas that I'm writing down each night in different ways that I can bring simple ideas for you. These ones were certainly easy, so anyone could definitely have a go at these this weekend. With Christmas just around the corner and most of us time poor, I wanted to show some simple DIYs that you could do late at night. Take up half an hour of your time, but you could certainly make a statement to a little girl's gift idea this Christmas. I then move on to my second DIY. Now I got this fuchsia pink love heart mirror probably about 6 months ago from my local dollar store and never actually used it. But again, I had a wonderful idea in mind for a little girl's room. I took a grouping of these white foam flowers that I picked up from eBay. Now I'll leave a link to where I purchased them down below, but they are a crafter's dream. And what I'm trying to create here, guys, is a little girl's dress. So what I'm doing is I'm hot gluing row by row. We're going to start with the first row of 6 roses. The second row will be 5 roses and the third row will be 4, 3 and 2. You're going to make your way up to the 4th row. Now when you get to the top there, you're going to take 2 more roses and just put 2 on top. You're then going to take another 2 and add them to the top of the last 2. As our little dress is starting to take shape, you're then going to take another 2 roses and you're going to glue them away from the dress. So these are actually going to be the straps of the dress. So one on top of the other on the left and right hand side. Now taking some striped dollar store ribbon, I cut a piece to size and this is going to be a little waistband for our dress and I glued it in place. Now you're then going to take another piece of that ribbon about 10 centimetres long. You're going to overlap it at the middle and you're going to hot glue it underneath that little join. You're then going to twist the ribbon at the end and cut it on an angle to give that decorative look at each end. Once that was all glued in place, I'm then taking another decorative rhinestone from Spotlight and hot gluing it to the centre of my dress. Then to finalise my little project, I then took a decorative dollar store tiara and I hot glued that to the top of the mirror. I absolutely adore how this little mirror came, guys. I think it would be the perfect addition to a little princess's room. I absolutely love how the flowers almost give a cake-like illusion, and I think they came out so adorable. Leave a comment down below which was your favourite DIY. I know a lot of you guys are very time poor at the moment at this very busy time, but I hope I've inspired you to create some last minute gift ideas for a little princess in your life. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I truly hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope I've inspired you in some small way to do some last minute crafting for DIY projects for this Christmas season. Don't forget, guys, to like, share and subscribe to my channel, because I'll be back real soon with more DIY projects, inspirational ideas and room tours here at Shell's Glam Home. So until next time, my friends, I thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.